Samsung's One UI 7.0 based on Android 15 has been one of the slowest and most limited beta rollouts we've seen in recent years. If you've been waiting to try out this update on your mid-range Galaxy phone, the news might not be exactly what you were hoping for. Let's start with the basics. Samsung kicked off the One UI 7 beta program all the way back in December 2024. Now fast forward to April 2025, and the stable version still hasn't rolled out for many users. That's nearly 4 months of testing, and that's just for the flagship models. If you're wondering what's taking so long, you're not alone. The beta program has been slow and stingy. Slow because of the long wait, and stingy because Samsung has only offered the beta to a very limited number of devices. Initially, the beta was announced exclusively for the Galaxy S24 series. At that time, many people assumed or feared that the beta wouldn't expand to any other devices. And for a while, it really looked like that would be the case. But then came March 2025. That's when Samsung confirmed that the beta program would finally expand to a few more devices. While this was good news on the surface, the list of new eligible phones was still quite small, and when it comes to mid-range devices, it's even smaller. As of April 3, only one mid-range Galaxy phone has been officially confirmed to get the One UI 7 beta, the Galaxy A55. That's right, just one mid-range device. No Galaxy A34, no Galaxy M series, and nothing from the budget segment either. Of course, that doesn't mean Samsung hasn't considered other devices. The company has reportedly been testing beta firmware behind closed doors for multiple mid-range phones. But because of the delays with the flagship models, it seems more and more likely that most of these devices will skip the beta entirely and jump straight to the stable version of One UI 7. Now, if you're someone who's currently using a mid-range Galaxy phone and was hoping to get early access to Android 15, this might be disappointing. Samsung's typical strategy in the past has been to launch betas for a broader range of devices, including several A-series phones. But with One UI 7, things have changed. It looks like Samsung is tightening its focus, perhaps to ensure a more polished release for fewer models. That being said, there's still some hope. The Galaxy A55 making it into the beta program suggests that Samsung hasn't completely abandoned the mid-range segment. There's always a possibility that more devices could be added to the beta list in the coming weeks. But as of now, nothing has been confirmed. So what can you do if your device didn't make the cut for the beta? Well, if you're eager to get the One UI 7 experience right now, you might want to consider upgrading to a newer device like the Galaxy A50 Sticks. This phone is expected to launch with One UI 7 right out of the box, meaning you can skip the wait and jump straight into the new features and improvements that come with Android 15. As for the stable release of One UI 7 for mid-range devices, we're expecting it to start sometime in May 2025. Samsung has only announced an official rollout date for its flagship phones and tablets, April 7. So if you own the Galaxy S24, S23, or one of the recent Galaxy Tabs, the update should be coming your way soon. But for mid-range and budget devices, the wait continues. To sum it up, if you got a Galaxy A55, congratulations, you're currently the only one in the mid-range category confirmed to get the beta. For everyone else, the options are either to wait for the stable update or consider getting a newer device like the Galaxy A50 Sticks that comes with One UI 7 pre-installed. We'll keep you updated as more information becomes available. If Samsung announces beta support for any additional mid-range phones, we'll make sure to let you know. So don't forget to subscribe, bookmark this page, or turn on notifications, whatever it takes to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next update.